Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into the world of premium PC power supplies, and the spotlight is on the RAIJINTEK CRATOS 1000W, a powerhouse PSU that blends cutting-edge efficiency, full modularity, and sleek aesthetics for modern high-performance builds. If you're building or upgrading a rig that demands both reliable power delivery and clean cable management, this model deserves a closer look. The CRATOS 1000W delivers 1000 watts of continuous power, making it perfect for high-end gaming PCs, workstation builds, or any setup running power-hungry components like the latest NVIDIA RTX 40 series and AMD Radeon GPUs. With 80+ Gold certification, it achieves over 90% efficiency under typical loads, which means lower energy waste, reduced heat output, and ultimately a quieter, cooler system. A big highlight here is ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.0 readiness. That means it comes fully future-proofed for today's and tomorrow's graphics cards. Whether your GPU requires the new 12V HPWR connector or traditional 6+2-pin PCIe connectors, the CRATOS 1000W has you covered. No adapters, no compromise, just plug-and-play compatibility with the latest hardware standards. This PSU is full modular, so you only connect the cables you need. This not only helps airflow and cable management but also keeps your build looking sharp, especially important for modern cases with tempered glass panels. The all-white finish elevates the look, pairing beautifully with white-themed builds for a truly premium aesthetic. Cooling is handled by a high-quality fan system that's optimized for silent operation, even under heavy load. The fan curve ensures it ramps up only when necessary, so most of the time your system stays whisper quiet. RAIJINTEK also backs this PSU with a 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. Combined with its build quality and reliable power delivery, this is a unit you can trust for years of gaming and productivity. So if you're upgrading to a next-gen GPU or just want a powerful, efficient, and stylish PSU, the RAIJINTEK CRATOS 1000W is an excellent choice. Check out the link below to get one for your build, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more reviews of the latest PC hardware and accessories.